How to make Rot, special spiral shaped roti for Anant Chaturdashi. This is a festival that is celebrated 10 days after the Ganesha Chaturdashi festival. This video will show you how this special spiral shaped roti is made. To follow the recipe, read the captions below the video. If you cannot follow the captions below the video, you can pause it on any part and read out the captions. Please subscribe to my channel, Explore with BKKFSF Guide, and like, comment, and share this video. Try making this yummy spiral shaped roti. You will enjoy it once you make it, and you will want to make it again. This roti is offered to Lord Ganesha in Rajasthan, the desert state of India. The ingredients you will need to make this recipe are whole wheat flour, atta flour, semolina flour, which is suji flour, carom seeds, which are ajwain seeds, salt to taste, clarified butter, which is ghee, and water. Subscribe to Explore with BKKFSF Guide, Bangkok Shopping and Food Guide, for more Bangkok travel, food, reaction, and more recipe videos. If you're planning to visit Bangkok, check out the details below this video on who to book as your Bangkok local guide. BKKSF Guide is a local guide who is born and raised in Bangkok. She is fluent in English and can speak the local Thai language and Hindi. Fun fact: the national animal of Thailand is the elephant. That is why Lord Ganesha is worshipped in Thailand. Ganesha is known as Papi Knead in Thai, and he is the remover of all obstacles. As Ganesha is the remover of all obstacles, you'll find Ganesha statues outside buildings and houses in Thailand. If you're a worshipper of Lord Ganesha, you should visit Thailand. Also visit Bangkok to view various kinds of Ganesha statues around the city. Thank you for watching this video. Try and make this recipe and comment below on how it turned out. Please comment below on your reaction of how you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Explore with BKKSF Guide.